Chapter 9, Reproduction in Animals. In this chapter we will read that reproduction is one of the important process of development in every animal. The process of digestion, circulation, blood circulation, respiration, assimilation, they are the parts of every living organism. These processes are essential for the animal, for the animals and for their growth. In the same way, reproduction is also an important process in the animals. In previous class you read about reproduction in plants. Reproduction is essential for the continuation of species. This is the reason why reproduction is important. In 8th class you will read that reproduction is an important process of animal kingdom. It is important because it helps in the continuation of species. You will realize that the reproduction is very important as it involves the continuation of species. First we read what are the different modes of reproduction. There are different modes of reproduction. So have you ever seen the young ones of different animals? You will see that different animals have got different modes of reproduction. You will find out, you must have also seen that the young ones of the various animals are born. Can you tell how chicks and caterpillars are born? Now this is a very simple question, but the answer of the question explains that both the organisms are born in a different way. How are kittens and puppies born? Now you will see, all of you know that chickens are born, they hatch out from the egg. Caterpillars also hatch out from the egg. Kittens are born as babies. So just like in plants, there are modes of reproduction in animals also. Plants also have got different ways. Some plants produce with the help of seeds, whereas some plants are produced without the help of seeds. In the same way, animals are also born with the help of seed or without the help with the help of giving birth to babies, or without the birth of giving birth, that is through the eggs. So first, the type of reproduction which is most commonly seen in the animals is the sexual reproduction. Reproduction in plants you have studied in class 7th. You will remember that plants that reproduce sexually have male and female reproductive parts. In 7th class you read about flower, that there are flowers which produce pollen grains. These pollen grains fertilize and then they produce seeds. So those type of flowers were of two types, male and female. So can you name these parts? So in the flowers you read that the male part of the flower was the anther and the female part of the flower was the stigma. Like plants, the reproductive parts in animals also produce reproductive cells. The reproductive cells which are produced by the animals are called the gametes. So there are two types of gametes, like the male gamete and the female gamete. These types of gametes which further develop into new organisms, these gametes are of two types. The type of gamete which is produced by the male and the gamete which is produced by the female. This type of reproduction, beginning from the fusion of a male and a female gamete. Fusion of male and female means the combination of the male and the female cells. This is called the sexual reproduction. So we